Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful zacconni grinder. This thing had a lot of work done. We basically had to replace a lot of the parts, including this whole assembly, the burrs, this little part, and this one that detaches itself from the base. We also had to replace the double burr. We had to replace power switch. We had to replace this piece that sits right on top of the burr assembly. This conical piece that stops this thing from turning. It just latches to this. There's a spring located right here. And yeah, just was a bunch of little screws and a bunch of stuff that we had to replace. This is from the nut that holds the whole assembly in place in here. So yeah, we had to do a lot of work on this little grinder. And let's test it out. Starting with a coarse setting. Pretty fast, very coarse. Let me just increase the brightness so you can see a bit better. Perfect. Alright, so let's do another grind. Alright, adjusted the grinder a bit. That's the old setting. That's the newer one. And as you can see, much finer than the other one. But perfectly fine. There you have it. Zacconni grinder works once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.